This is Dr. Alex Vernon, and I have an Excel video for you guys today to show how to use Excel 2016's histogram capability. 2016 Excel is a heck of a lot better than 2013 Excel for making histograms. So, without further ado, the first thing I'm going to do is run some descriptive statistics on these data. So I have a variable here called x5. I'm going to go to Data Analysis, Descriptive Statistics. I'm going to go ahead and select this entire column. I have labels in the first row, so I'm going to tell it I have labels in the first row. The output range is going to be C1, which is right over here, and I want summary statistics. Now if you hit OK, it'll take a second because there are a lot of observations. Here it goes, summary statistics. Let's widen that out. We have 1,000 observations. The smallest one is close to 0, and the largest one is close to 8,000. The mean and the median are quite a bit different, so there is some skewness in this. If you look at the skewness coefficient, it's 1.9, and that's pretty good positive skewness in this data set. So we should see something similar to that. Now, if I select the data, the whole column, since I'm going to use all of those and there's nothing below it but this particular set of data, and I go to Insert and go to Recommended Charts, easiest thing is to go to All Charts and go down to where it says Histogram. I'm going to click on Histogram. It gives me an idea of what it's going to look like, and I'm going to hit OK. And there you go. A quick histogram. The only thing about this, it's got some somewhat awkward class sizes. The first one goes from 0.76 to 330.76. It's using a routine to do that. You could go through and format the axis and change the looks like a solid 330 that it is using. You could change the bin width. You can play around and try to change the number of items that you have. Say if I wanted 24 observations, click on the number of bins. If I wanted 15, I put 15, and it reduces the number of classes. So there are several things you can do. You can get lost in the formatting if you want. Pretty good presentation of the data. I'll take it back to 24, and that's the way it looked originally. I can tell you that that is a positively skewed distribution, and we could go ahead and we could put chart titles, which we should. We could label axes, which we should, and have a pretty good looking histogram pretty quickly. That's all I got. Have fun.